Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared two questions about population genetics. And here is the first question. If there is only one allele for a gene in a population, the gene is referred to as, and you have to choose the correct answer. And I think that most of you would choose with the variant A or B, because our question itself gives us one allele for a gene, and mono means one allele also present in the question. But actually monoallelic doesn't mean that we have only one allele for a particular gene or locus. Actually it means that we have two alleles, but only one would be expressed. And the second one would be shut down for different number of reasons this may happen. For example, mutation in regulatory sequence. So we would call such locus or gene monoallelic. And actually the correct answer would be answer B. We call such gene or locus fixed. It can have initially only one allele, only one variant, or it may have different number of alleles, but if one allele would give better fitness to the organism over the period of time, this allele may become fixed. So we would have only one allele left, and we also would say that such gene would be fixed and such locus would be fixed. Next question. Which of the following would cause deviation from the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? And what Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium tells us? It tells us that we would have stable frequencies of the genetic variants or genotypes or over generations if we wouldn't have mutations, because every mutation produces no new variant of the allele. But we should have the same frequencies of the alleles and genotypes over generations. And lack of selection pressure would be another requirement, because if we would have selection pressure, that also means that some genotypes would have better fitness, some would have less, and we would also have change in allelic frequencies. And another requirement of the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium would be random mating, because only if mating would be random, again, we would have allelic frequencies stable and the same over the generations. But if we would have preferential mating, then again this would cause a shift in allelic frequencies. Now we have two answers left. Both of them could be correct, but for example, isolated population usually is small population, but not necessary. And say, for example, Japanese have been isolated in their island for centuries, but we cannot say that this is small population. But small population would be doesn't meet requirement of the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, because according to the postulates of the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, population have to be infinitely large. So in this case we can expect, and also if other requirements also would be met, we can expect that allelic frequencies would stay the same. And this also means that there not going to be any evolution. So basically Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium tells us that in this population, if this particular population meets requirements of the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, doesn't have any evolution. Because how do we define evolution? Evolution, this is change in allelic frequencies. That's it. This is how it is simple from genetic point of view. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates and see you in the next video. Goodbye.